My name is Rohan. Today I'm going to teach you about the methods of charging. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, then subscribe it, like it, and share it with your friends. Now, moving to the topics, methods of charging. So, first method is friction. Now, see, in friction, uh, we have two bodies. One is charged bodies, and other is uncharged body. So, when sorry we in friction, when two bodies are rubbed together, electrons are transferred from one body to other. As a result of this, one body becomes positively charged while the other negatively charged. The bodies from which electrons are transferred, th- that body becomes positively charged, and the body to which electrons are transferred to it, then it is become negatively charged. Example, when a glass rod is rubbed with a silk, the rod becomes positively charged while the silk becomes negatively charged. However, we have an okay. Now look at the more example. When ebonite rod on rubbing with wool becomes negatively charged, making the wool positively charged. Clouds also become charged by friction. We have seen in rainy season there are clouds which come together. There is also friction happens. So in charging by friction, in accordance with conservation of charge. In friction, total charge of the system remains constant. It will total charge of the system will not lose anywhere. Both positive and negative charges in equal transfer appear simultaneously due to the transfer of electron from one body to the other. Now second method is electronic induction. What happen in electronic induction? If a charged body is brought near an uncharged body, the charged body will attract opposite charge. Now understand its example, it will be very easy for you. Now moving to the its example. Now see, here is we have two bodies, first is q and other is q dash. Q body is charged with positively charged, and our q dash body is uh, consider it in starting is nothing, no charge is present, sorry, uh, charges is present on the surface of this body. These charges can be negative and positive also, combination of both negative and positive charges. When a body with which are positively charged bring near to the q dash body, then it will attract the positive charge of the q will attract the electrons from the q dash. So on in one side, now look at the in this side, negatively charged of the body will come because we know the two opposites, we know the unlike charges are always attract each other. So the positive charge repel each other. So positively charged first will come here, then it will repel by, after repelling it will come here. Then look at the we have then we have the then we have attached this body with the ground potential. So these two body becomes so these two bodies potential becomes equal. Now look at the when two bodies potential becomes equal, then this positive charge goes into the ground. As a result of this, electron negative charge, as a result of it, now look at the electrons will come from the grounds towards this body, and positive charge will go from here to here. So this is our example by electrostatic induction. Now moving to our third method is charging by conduction. Now look at the understand anything by example, it will be easier for you. A famous proverb you might have seen, you might have heard, sorry, you might have seen heard that that a picture worth more than 1000 words. So let understand by an illusion. Don't go on the theory. It will be very difficult for you understanding by theory. Now look at this example. We have two bodies. First body is uncharged and other body is charged. So we know that the property of a charge, all charges will lie on its surface. Nothing, no charge is present within the body. Now look at the when this uncharged body is bring nearer to this charged body, then this charge spreads on its surface also. Now look at the when the bodies both in contact, this positive charge is spread on in both the at the surface of two bodies. Now look at the when we separate these two bodies, then the positive charge which goes on the surface of the one body, and this is our first, let assume it is our first body, this is our second body. So positive charge will lie on the surface of this first body, and the similar positive charge will also lie on this body. Now after separation, both the body contain positive charge. It can be also a electron here. We have shown just it is by positively charged. There is one more important point. A truck carrying explosive has a metal chain touching the ground to conduct away the charge produced by friction. As we know that when the truck is going, having container, so by the friction is also produces charge. By friction is also produces charge. So there is no electricity pass through this conduction. We have a metal chain touching to the ground, which 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 work which job is to conduct away the charge produced by the friction. Thank you, friends. If you want Hindi version of this video, please comment in the comment box, or any suggestion you would like to share with me, you can also do it in the comment box. Again, thank you, friends.